Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give you 11 latest defense updates. Number 1, price drop amid growing orders for India's Astra Beyond Visual Range Air-to-Air Missile. India Astra Mk1 Beyond Visual Range Air-to-Air Missile, that is BVRAM, has witnessed a significant reduction in its unit cost as production stabilizes and orders surge from both the Indian Air Force and the Indian Navy. The missile, designed for air combat superiority, is becoming a cost-effective alternative in its class. Next, Indian military base at Agalega Island in Mauritius nears completion. The latest satellite images reveal that India's overseas military base on Agalega Island in Mauritius has reached completion. The strategically significant facility features a deep-sea port capable of accommodating destroyers and frigates, along with an air base equipped with a 3-kilometer-long runway and facilities suitable for operating fighter jets and naval surveillance aircraft like the P-81. Next, Argentina explores Indian helicopters as fleet replacement. Argentina is embarking on a significant modernization efforts for its military assets with plans to replace its aging helicopter fleet and acquire new fighter aircraft. These strategic moves aim to enhance the country's defense capabilities and align with its evolving security needs. Next, mergers of India's defense public undertakings. The Indian government is embarking on a significant overhaul of its defense public undertakings, exploring the possibility of merging 5 out of 7 newly formed entities within a remarkably short span of under 3 years. The strategic move, initiated shortly after the creation of these DPSUs from the former Ordnance Factory Board, aims to enhance operational efficiency, foster innovation, and optimize resources. Next, Nepal protests against China's map released lately. Nepal miffed now on China for showing Lipulekh, Limpiadhura and Kalapani area in India. The controversy revolves around China's omission of certain regions claimed by Nepal, a move that has stirred discussions on social media and raised concerns about sovereignty. Next, a long-term deal with Shah Bahar Port in Iran. India is making strategic moves to pave the way for a long-term contract release to Shah Bahar Port in Iran. Simultaneously, there are plans to ramp up investments in the Shahid Beheshti terminal at the port. This development indicates India's commitment to bolstering its presence and influence in the strategically located Shah Bahar Port. Next, Vikram Lander and Pragyan Rover expand Moon's habitability prospects. Ever since the momentous landing of India's Vikram Lander on the lunar surface, a treasure trove of data and insights has been steadily streaming in from the instruments on board both the lander and its trusty rover Pragyan. While these individuals' data points may initially appear as intricate scientific jargon, when woven together, they unveil a captivating message. The moon may be more habitable than previously imagined. Next, cyber surveillance intensifies as pro-Khalistan group target G20 Summit. In the wake of the recent Khalistani graffiti incident in Delhi, Indian central agencies have escalated their surveillance efforts in cyberspace. The move comes in response to the discovery and pro-Khalistan organization 6 for Justice has launched multiple websites with the intention of tarnishing India's global image in the lead up to the G20 Summit. Next, Meditronics India to manufacture specialized equipment for defense sector. Marine equipment and spare parts supplier Meditronics India on Monday announced its foray into specialized equipment manufacturing for the defense sector. The company, in a statement, said it is in the process of setting up its own manufacturing facility in Chennai, which is expected to start production in the next 1 year. Next. ISRO's Aditya L1 successfully undergoes second Earth-Bound Manoeuvre. Aditya L, the first space-based Indian mission to study the sun, underwent the second Earth-Bound Manoeuvre successfully during the early hours on Tuesday, said ISRO. Next. AI-generated avatar, that is artificial intelligence-generated avatar, to welcome world leaders at G20 exhibitions. The heads of states and other top leaders will be greeted by an artificial intelligence-generated avatar at the Mother of Democracy exhibition, which will be hosted at the Bharat Mandapam to mark the G20 Summit, official sources have said. Thank you.